1 million miles sounds like a marketing fantasy, but the degradation curve data and cycle life research tell a more interesting story than a simple yes or no. Here is the honest math on both chemistries and what would actually have to happen for a Tesla battery to reach that number. Start with how lithium-ion batteries actually degrade over extreme distance, because this changes everything about how you interpret the million-mile question. Degradation is nonlinear. The pattern across every large dataset in 2025 and 2026 is consistent. The battery loses capacity quickly in the first 1 to 2 years, then the degradation curve flattens dramatically and slows into a long, gentle decline. Aggregated data shows most Teslas still retain 85% to 90% of original capacity around 200,000 miles, with many vehicles projected to cross 300,000 to 400,000 miles before reaching 70% capacity, which is the common end of useful life benchmark for electric vehicle batteries. That 70% threshold is important for the million-mile calculation because it is where most owners and manufacturers consider the battery to have reached functional end of life, even though the car still runs. The key insight from the degradation curve is that the rate of loss per mile at 300,000 miles is dramatically slower than the rate at 30,000 miles. A battery that lost 8% in its first 50,000 miles might lose only another 5% in the next 150,000 miles. Understanding that pattern is the foundation of any honest projection toward a million miles. The NMC math starts with cycle life, and the numbers are clear about where the ceiling is. Modern Tesla NMC cells are rated for approximately 1,500 to 2,000 full charge cycles before hitting 80% capacity. At one full cycle per day, that is roughly 4 to 5.5 years of daily cycling. In miles, the calculation depends on your pack size and how deeply you cycle it. A 75 kilowatt-hour NMC long-range pack charged from 20% to 80% daily gives you roughly 45 usable kilowatt-hours per cycle. At an average consumption of 4 miles per kilowatt-hour, that is approximately 180 miles per cycle. At 1,500 cycles, that mathematically caps out at around 270,000 miles before the pack hits its rated 80% capacity threshold. At 2,000 cycles, under the same conditions you reach approximately 360,000 miles. A 2015 Model S reached 750,000 kilometers with 82% capacity after 2 battery replacements. That detail is the most important single data point for the NMC million-mile question. The car reached 750,000 kilometers, roughly 465,000 miles, but it required 2 pack replacements to get there. On its original pack, the math suggests it would have reached somewhere between 270,000 and 360,000 miles before hitting 70% capacity. The remaining distance came from replacement packs, starting fresh from 100%. NMC cannot reach 1 million miles on a single pack, based on its cycle life ceiling. The math simply does not allow it at normal usage patterns. To reach 1 million miles on one NMC pack, you would need cycle depths so shallow and charging habits so conservative that the car would be taking multiple short trips per charge rather than depleting to anything close to a full cycle per day. Theoretically possible in a controlled scenario, not realistic for normal ownership. The LFP math tells a meaningfully different story, and this is where the chemistry gap becomes most apparent. LFP cells are rated for 3,000 to 5,000 full cycles before hitting 80% capacity. Using the same calculation on a 60 kilowatt-hour LFP standard range pack charged to 100% daily gives roughly 55 usable kilowatt-hours per cycle. At 4 miles per kilowatt-hour, that is approximately 220 miles per cycle. At 3,000 cycles, that mathematically projects to 660,000 miles before hitting 80% capacity. At 5,000 cycles under optimized conditions, the projection reaches 1,100,000 miles. That number deserves immediate context. The 5,000 cycle rating is a laboratory rating under controlled conditions with optimized charge depths, temperatures, and discharge rates. LFP batteries can handle 3,000-plus cycles, with some high-mileage examples showing less than 5% degradation after 130,000 miles. The gap between laboratory cycle ratings and real-world ownership conditions means the practical ceiling for a well-managed LFP pack is somewhere between those two projections. But the math shows that LFP is the only Tesla battery chemistry where a single pack reaching 1 million miles is theoretically within the range of the cycle life data, rather than clearly beyond it. LFP-powered cars covering the same distance still show over 90% battery health, according to Voltest Diagnostics. That finding from professional diagnostic data supports the upper end of the LFP projection in a way that NMC data simply cannot match at equivalent mileage points. What would actually have to happen for any Tesla to reach 1 million miles in practice? For an NMC Tesla, the honest answer is multiple pack replacements. 2 to 3 packs over the vehicle's lifetime, depending on usage patterns, with each pack covering 250,000 to 350,000 miles before requiring replacement. The car itself, the motor, chassis, and structure, is capable of lasting that distance based on everything the high-mileage data shows about Tesla build quality. The battery is the component that limits the journey to 1 million miles on NMC chemistry. For an LFP Tesla, the answer is more optimistic, but still requires near-perfect conditions. A well-managed LFP pack, charging to 100% daily, maintained between 20% and 80% for most sessions with weekly full calibration charges, kept in moderate temperatures, and driven at consistent highway speeds rather than repeatedly pushed to maximum acceleration, could theoretically approach 600,000 to 700,000 miles on one pack under the most favorable interpretation of the cycle life data. Getting from there to 1 million miles on a single pack would require either a breakthrough in cell chemistry or conditions so conservative they fall outside normal ownership parameters. The honest verdict across both chemistries is straightforward. NMC cannot reach 1 million miles on one pack. The cycle life ceiling makes it mathematically impossible under any normal ownership scenario. A million-mile NMC Tesla requires pack replacements and the vehicle structure to outlast multiple batteries, which the build quality data suggests is achievable. LFP gets dramatically closer than NMC. Under optimized conditions, the cycle life data puts a single LFP pack within theoretical range of 600,000 to 700,000 miles, which is further than any NMC pack can project on current cycle life ratings. Whether any LFP Tesla will actually reach that distance on one pack in real-world conditions rather than laboratory projections remains to be seen. The cars are not old enough yet for the data to confirm it. The million-mile Tesla is not a fantasy. It is a vehicle, structure, and motor question as much as a battery question. And the structure and motor data suggests the car can last. Whether the battery gets there on one pack depends on which chemistry you have and how carefully you manage it over a decade or more of ownership. Drop your chemistry, mileage, and state of health in the comments. The higher the mileage, the more useful your data point is for everyone watching. And if you want to keep getting honest, data-driven content like this, hit subscribe. I will see you in the next one.